Android slow or leggy performance, causes, diagnosis, and solutions. Cause 1. Insufficient RAM. Diagnosis. Check the RAM usage on your device. You can do this by going to the settings menu and selecting memory or storage options. Solution. Free up RAM by closing unnecessary background apps. You can do this by accessing the recent apps menu, usually accessed by tapping the square or recent apps button, and swiping away the apps you don't need. You can also consider uninstalling apps that consume a significant amount of RAM or use a RAM management app to optimize memory usage. Cause 2. Too many background processes. Diagnosis. Check the number of background processes running on your device. This can be done by going to the developer options in the settings menu, if enabled, or using a third-party task manager app. Solution. Close or disable unnecessary background processes. Go to the app manager or settings menu, select apps, and force stop or disable any apps that are running unnecessarily in the background. Be cautious not to disable critical system processes or apps that you use frequently. Cause 3. Insufficient storage space. Diagnosis. Check the available storage space on your device. Go to the settings menu, select storage or device maintenance, and review the storage usage details. Solution. Free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files, such as old photos, videos, and unused apps. You can also transfer media files to an external storage device or cloud storage. Additionally, consider using storage management tools or apps to identify large files and unused apps that can be safely removed. Cause 4. Outdated or incompatible apps. Diagnosis. Check for app updates and review app compatibility with your device's operating system version. Solution. Update your apps regularly from the Google Play Store to ensure compatibility with the latest Android version. If an app is no longer supported or causes performance issues, consider finding alternative apps or contacting the app developer for assistance. Cause 5. Software updates and system optimization. Diagnosis. Check if your device's operating system and installed apps are up to date. Solution. Install the latest software updates provided by your device manufacturer. These updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Additionally, enable system optimization features available in the device settings to enhance performance, such as battery optimization, app standby, or performance modes. Cause 6. Malware or virus infection. Diagnosis. Monitor your device for any signs of malware or virus infection, such as sudden slowdowns, excessive battery drain, or unusual app behavior. Solution. Install a reputable antivirus app from the Google Play Store and perform a full system scan. If malware is detected, follow the antivirus app's instructions to remove it. Additionally, be cautious of downloading apps from unknown sources and avoid clicking on suspicious links or ads. Cause 7. Overheating. Diagnosis. Check if your device is getting excessively hot during usage, which can contribute to performance issues. Solution. Avoid using your device in direct sunlight or hot environments. Close resource-intensive apps and processes. Remove any protective cases or covers that may be restricting airflow. If the problem persists, seek professional help as there may be an underlying hardware issue causing the overheating. Cause 8. Clogged cache files. Diagnosis. Check for excessive cache files accumulated by apps on your device. Solution. Clear app cache individually by going to the app manager in settings, selecting the app, and tapping on Clear Cache. Alternatively, you can use a cache cleaning app to clear cache files from multiple apps at once. Cause 9. Outdated firmware. Diagnosis. Check if your device's firmware is outdated. Solution. Update your device's firmware by going to the settings menu, selecting Software Update or System Update, and following the instructions to download and install the latest firmware version provided by your device manufacturer. Cause 10. Animations and transitions. Diagnosis. Check if excessive animations and transitions are causing the device to slow down. Solution. Reduce or disable animations and transitions by going to the developer options in the settings menu, if enabled, and adjusting the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale to a lower value or turning them off completely. Cause 11. background syncing in push notifications. Diagnosis. Check if background syncing in push notifications are causing performance issues. Solution. Disable or limit background syncing in push notifications for apps that are not essential. You can do this by going to the App Manager in Settings, selecting the app, and modifying the syncing in notification settings. Cause 12. Low battery. Diagnosis. Check if your device's battery level is low. Solution. Charge your device to a sufficient battery level. Performance may be impacted when the battery level is critically low. Cause 13. Hardware limitations. Diagnosis. Assess if the slow or laggy performance is due to the hardware limitations of your device. Solution. Unfortunately, if the device's hardware is outdated or insufficient for running certain apps or processes smoothly, there may not be a direct solution. In such cases, you may consider upgrading to a newer device with better hardware capabilities. In conclusion, addressing the causes of slow or laggy Android performance can greatly enhance user experience. Thank you to our viewer for joining this lecture and exploring the diagnosis and solutions. Keep your devices optimized for a smoother Android experience.